Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Reset Options, and as you can see here we've got two options which are connected with network overall. We've got network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, which are separately. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the option. Your device will inform you that you cannot undo this action, so tap on Reset if you're ready, and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi has been reset successfully. Same with network settings, just tap on it, tap on Reset Settings. Here again we've got the information that we cannot undo this action, so just tap on Reset Settings, and as you can see the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.